In this video, I will show you how you can call Booking.com customer service for any issues related to their services. First thing first, you need to open Booking.com on your computer and just make sure you are signed in. After that, you will need to click on this question mark here in the top, which is contact customer service. And on the following page, you don't need to click anywhere. Just click on I can't find my booking. And on the following page, just click on any of these options. It doesn't matter which one you choose. It is always going to land you on the same screen. So click on stays. And now it is asking me to enter the confirmation number and the PIN code of my reservation. If you have it, that's great. And if you don't have it, just scroll down, you will see message customer service. Now you don't want to click on this option, but click on more contact options, which is here hidden just under this button. And that will open up this call customer service option. Click on that. And the following screen will display the local number for you to call Booking.com wherever you are located at this time. And that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you find this one useful. Until next time, bye-bye.